welcome back to Get Updated Now, and here we have a turbocharged shower head. So it's just with one-handed control and easy switches, and the reason we bought it is because of the pressure. So this one is going to give good pressure even if there's not enough pressure, it seems, coming from your pipeline. So it has flow regulation where you can stop and start, and then it has filter for impurities, and then it's good for water saving. So this is how it looks like, and then there's some more information here on how to use it. So you just have to place the filter in the shower, which is already there, and you can just remove the old shower head that you're using and replace this one. So it's recommended to replace the filter that's in there after every like 3 months. Okay, so yeah, here it is. Now this is like really soft, which can be used as a head massager also, because nowadays people are buying things like this to massage their scalp while washing. And then this is how it goes. Then here, just stop. If you want to stop, you press it, then back from here, and once you open it, the filter is there. So if you're willing to buy a turbo charged shower head, this is a good option. Not too expensive and easy to change. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.